What up, guys? So this is me live day trading, making about $2,220 from the forex market, right? In this very video now, I'm gonna do a breakdown on how I took the trade, how I took the risk, how much I risked, and how I was able to make that amount. So this is my biggest profit trading the market in a day, right? This is my biggest day trading profit. I've made a couple of $1,000 before in a single day, but this is my biggest profit for a single day, right? So let me do a quick recap on how I took this very good trade, right? I took the trade on gold, and this is how I took the trade. So if you notice my screen right here now, this was the sell trade I took. This was the trade right here, and the signal was sent out to my Telegram, right? If you're on my Telegram, you're gonna notice, you are gonna see the signal. It's a free Telegram. The link is in the description. Now take a look at the signal right here, and I'm gonna show you everything on how I took this very trade. I took two trades, one on crypto and one on forex. The one on crypto hit stop loss, right? The one on crypto hit stop loss, of which is normal in the market, but this very one hits take profits, and we had a 1:6 arrow, 1:6 risk to reward ratio. Now take a look at the trade right here. By 6:02 a.m. this morning, I sent out the signal saying sell gold at this price. Then we were risking about 37 pips. Then this was a trade setup. Now this is how I took this very trade, right? Simple, the same way I trade every single time, right? And then, but most of you guys were asking me, those in my Telegram were asking me, hey, how did you took this very trade, right? We were on the same gold, but we didn't find the same setup. We didn't take the same trade you took, right? How did you take this very trade? So let's use bar replay so you can easily see how I took this very trade right now. So these are my previous trade, right? So that's just by the way. Now this gold now was on a buy, right? Gold was bullish for some time, right? Gold was on a buy. Then as it was on a buy now, at some point I saw that the price changed character. I noticed it on Friday last week. That's on Friday last week. I noticed the price changed character by breaking below this previous structural low right here. That was what I noticed, and that showed me that the price has now changed character. There's a shift in market structure, and the market now is not gonna start becoming bearish since it was bullish before. That's one confluence, and I saw that on Friday. So I've been on this chart now since on Friday. Can you see it? Friday. Now on Friday the market closed at this very point. This was where the market closed. Now what I was expecting was, I was expecting the price to tap on this very order block right here, right? I was expecting the price to tap on this very order block. Since it has changed character, then I was expecting to tap on this other block, then sell off, right? But why waiting throughout the weekend till on Monday before I take my trade, right? It's already market closed, so I didn't set any limit order. I was just waiting till on Monday, then I execute the trade. Now initially you already know what I was expecting. I was expecting for a sell. I was expecting gold to sell already since on Friday, but I didn't take the sell yet. So throughout the weekend now, I was on the charts just walking through the charts, doing more analysis, and I'm gonna show you what I found out. Now this was what people were asking me on Telegram. They said, we all marked out this very area as our order block. Why didn't the price come back to tap on the order block before selling off? Now what I saw during the weekend now was this. On a 45 minutes time frame, that was when I saw it. On a 45 minutes time frame, I noticed that this was an order block. You already know this last green candle. That's the order block right there. And if you mark out that very area as your order block, if you mark out that very green candle as your order block now, you're gonna see clearly that the price has already mitigated this order block. The price has already tapped into this order block. Now it's now selling off. You don't expect it to come back now to tap on your 15 minutes time frame order block. For those who have watched my order block tutorial video, you're gonna notice that I tell you why I do use higher time frame order block, right? I give you reasons why I most times use the higher time frame order blocks for my entry. Yeah, I hardly go to a lower time frame to enter trades. I do use higher time frame. Now, if you mark out your order block on a 15 minutes time frame now, you would have missed out on this move. But if you mark it out on a 45 minutes, on a 1 hour time frame, you would have caught this very sell. You would have taken the sell from this order block here. Beautiful. But on a 15 minutes time frame, on a 30 minutes time frame, the price never got there. There are reasons I do that. There are reasons I do go to different time frame to mark out order blocks. Now, the next thing is I went to a 15 minutes time frame. Since I now noticed that, I now know, okay, the chances of the price coming back here now is now low. So I want to start looking out for where I would likely take sell trade from. Where I would likely take trade from. Remember, sell, because the market is now bearish. Now, what I noticed right here now was there's a break of structure right here as the price is now going down. Meaning now that this last green candle right here now is the order block. Right there, we have an order block right there, and take a look at what happened. The price has already came back up, tap on it, came back, tap on it again. That already tap on the order block. So confirming to me that okay, what I'm now expecting now is, since the price has just created a high, a lower low, a lower high, I'm now expecting to break the structure again to create a lower low, then being bearish. That was what I was now expecting from the market. Now, I was now expecting to take a sell from this order block. If you notice, as the price tapped on this main second order block, it sold off, creating this order block right here. So that was where I was expecting, or I was waiting for the price to come to take, so I can take my sell. So as the price was moving now, I saw that the price had this low, and I was expecting the price to break that low. Then if it's able to break that very low, something like this, as it's pushing down, breaks the low, break of structure, then come back, tap on my order block, then continue selling, keep going down, just like that. That was what I was now expecting from the price. And beautifully now, the price pushed down to break the structure, right? It came down, broke the low, and as you see the break right there. Then what did I did? I entered for the sell from that point. Right, that was the point I entered for the sell, and the signal was sent out to my Telegram. Take a look at this. Here's it. Sell good at, I gave them the price. It was even limit order, so it was by 6:02 a.m. So as early as possible, I was already on the chart, because I already know from the weekend what I was gonna do or what I was expecting. Then I was risking 37 pips, and my target was 1:6 risk to reward ratio. See everything live. I don't hide things, right? And I don't say things. I always do what I say. Then the trade came so close. I was not expecting this. The price tap on our order block. Instead of it to sell, it just went up aggressively, came so close to our stop loss, but did not tap on our stop loss. Then before finally started going down. Now, on a normal case, if it was you or other traders who don't understand this, they will go over, get stopped out on this trade before the price will move. Now, me, I know fully well that, okay, most times, this high now, the price most times tends to take out these highs, these nearest highs. So what did I do? I make sure my stop loss was above that very high. Since it was above it, so there's now a chance that, okay, even if the price is going to take out that very high, it might not hit my stop loss. And that was what I did. And take a look at the trade. Came up, almost hitting the stop loss, right? Then it started moving, and I sent out the signal. I said, came so close to our SL, let's see where we can go from here. Then beautifully, the trade was gradually moving, and finally hitting full TP, giving me a 1:6 RR. So I was risking about $370. I opened 2 positions with 0.5 lot size. Then I was risking about $370 in total, and I made about $2,220. $2,220. Let me see if I'm going to find a screenshot on this phone. or let me the trade history. Okay, let me check. Oh, I didn't take the trade from with this phone. I took the trade from that other phone I'm using to record. So literally, I'm gonna drop the screenshot somewhere on the profit I made. So it's simple. What I did was so simple, but every single trader who took the same trade now would have get stopped out or would have missed entry, waiting for the price to tap on. That's their order block. But me, since I already know all of this, I made the money from this same trade. Now, before I even say anything, right? I've already taught my students how I took this very trade. If you wish to join my mentorship class, there's a link in the description. Click on the link and then join. Right? It's just we are currently running a discount for the mentorship class. It's currently now running for $35 for about 3 months. You will pay $35 and you have access to my class for 3 months straight. Right? And also, if you need a one-on-one section, just me teaching you personally one-on-one section, that's about $200 for me to teach you one-on-one. So super and easy. The time is already almost 10 p.m. Time is almost 10 p.m. right? But I just finished my class with my students. Since this is my biggest profit trading so far in a single day, this is my biggest profit in a single day, I decided to do this very video, showing you guys how I made this money. And there's a secret I need to say, right? Now, in trading, what I did now was this. I used 0.5 lot size. I calculated it, right? I didn't just go over use any random lot size. I used 0.5 lot size in a way that, okay, unless this trade goes against me and hits my stop loss, that's when I will blow my accounts. If it does not hit my stop loss, I will not blow my accounts. It's a simple way. If it does not hit my stop loss, I won't lose that. I won't be losing up to that $370 I was risking unless it hits my stop loss. That's when I'm gonna lose that $370. It's simple. But so many traders now, they will not even know how much they're gonna lose if the trade hits their stop loss. All they know is they will place their stop loss and then they don't even know the lot size they should be using appropriately. And that's what I teach my students. That's what I teach in my class. Not just about strategy, not just about risk management, but understanding all of these little things that's gonna make you keep losing so much money. So that's all, and I believe the video was helpful, right? And I'll see you all in my next video. So take care, guys. Maybe I'm gonna just get myself, should I get myself a car to just stay clear and turn on the notification bell, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you all in the next video.